Hello everyone and welcome back to BTech 360. Today we are traveling to the gateway of Northeast India to explore an institute of national importance that is making serious headlines, IIIT Guwahati, that was established in the year 2013. This institute has moved past its initial phases and now operates from a sprawling 67-acre permanent campus. Now, there is a common myth that institutes in the Northeast might lack diversity. But look at these numbers. Out of 942 undergraduate students, a massive 99% of the students, they are from outside the state. And only 1% are from within the state. This means you get a truly cosmopolitan culture with students from every corner of India. The gender ratio stands at 85% male and 15% female, and with a faculty strength of about 59. The academic environment is robust. Let's see if the placements match this strong foundation. Let's talk numbers. We will start with the NIRF data, which gives us a historical perspective. If you look at the batches from 2022 and 2023, the IIT Guwahati was unstoppable with placement percentage of 91% and 97% respectively. However, the 2024 batch faced the global tech recession and we see a dip here. The placement percentage dropped to 56.65% with 98 students placed out of 174 graduates. Despite this market slowdown, the quality of jobs remained stable. The median salary hovered around 13.65 lakhs per annum, which is very close to the previous year's data. Previous year's salary range that was near about 14 lakhs per annum. This proves that while the number of offers went down due to the market, the value of the students remained high. But here is the good news. The latest data for the 2024-2025 batch shows a massive comeback. The highest salary has skyrocketed to 71 lakhs per annum. Let's break it down by branch. For CSE Computer Science, the highest package is 58.3 lakhs per annum with a stunning average of 17.66 lakhs per annum. The placement percentage is recovering well at nearly 71%. For ECE, that is electronics, surprisingly, the highest package of 71 lakhs per annum came from the ECE branch. The average package is decent at 13.59 lakhs per annum, though the placement percentage is slightly lower at 56.36%. But what's the verdict? The overall average package of 16.75 lakhs per annum is fantastic for an IIIT, putting it in a very competitive league. So, what rank do you need to get a seat here? Here are the JEE Main All India closing ranks for 2025. For computer science, in general or open category, it closes around 22,739. EWS 3,649, OBC 8,583, SC if I talk about 5,708, ST 2,799. For electronics, for general or open category, you have a chance up to rank 30,554. For OBC, it's 12,316. For SC, it's 7,858. If your rank falls in the range of 20 to 30,000, IIIT Guwahati is definitely a top contender for your choice filling. Who hires from here? The recruiter list includes top-tier companies such as Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Flipkart, Samsung, and Deloitte. The presence of companies like D.E. Shaw and Goldman Sachs clearly shows that location is not a barrier for top talent here. And finally, where do these students end up? According to LinkedIn data, IIIT Guwahati has a strong alumni base of over 2,200 graduates. The top employer is Amazon with 111 alumni, followed by Deloitte. If I talk location-wise, 96% remain in India, with major hubs being Bangalore 13%, Delhi NCR 8%, and Hyderabad 8%. So what's the conclusion? With the permanent campus, a 71 lakh per annum highest package and an average of 16 lakhs per annum plus, IIIT Guwahati is rising fast. If you find this analysis helpful, hit that subscribe button on BTech 360 for more college reviews. Thanks for watching.